Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sure you've seen this look before. I already recorded a video looking like this. You guys, today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi hair. This is their body wave wig. This is a 24-inch. It's 180% density and it cost $249. But this video is my hair color video. I just wanted to come and talk to you all real quick at the start of the video so you guys can know the video is a little bit jumbled up because I had some footage on my phone, some footage on my camera. Like, it's in shambles. This hair was an accidental color. I just wanted to show you guys the accidental color, but you guys can't get it right like anyhow you want to. At the top I did leave some of the roots, but if you see to the side, I did color the roots. So the sides, the roots are colored, and then like right here the roots are not. Like, it's just customized to be different, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to y'all real quick. If you did see my last video, comment down below a fox. Y'all know how I do. I love when y'all comment down below. I love talking to y'all. I don't know, I just love my subscribers. Like, y'all are amazing. Like, I don't know what to say. I'm just so happy. I'm so shook that so many people support me, and it's like, dang, like sometimes I wanted to go live, but I'm so scary. Like, literally this is just me talking to the camera, but I'm so appreciative of y'all. When I go on live, I just be feeling like, dang, people are watching me. That was exactly me in high school when I was doing projects. But anyways, I'm getting off topic. We're gonna get right into this video, and I hope you guys really love this color. This is an amazing color for summer. If you follow me like way back, maybe like 2 years ago, you remember I always did like ginger color and Cajun colors, Cajun spice. Like, that was my shit. Like but I'm just going to start the video, and yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm just starting off with my quick blue bleach and my 30 volume developer. I think it's 30. I just mix it together and I'm just putting it on the hair. This is really simple. All you do is just slap it on the hair and make sure that it's coated all the way through. I do have the hair sectioned off into 4 sections. So I'm putting it on the hair and I'm brushing it through just to make sure that it's nice and saturated, and then section it off until you get to the top. It's really repetitive, but if you do it like this, it's quick. So this is really self-explanatory. Anybody could do this. I leave the bleach on for 35 minutes max with this foil on it, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just gonna leave this to play so you can see how I put it on the hair. I mean, it's just for the video, but you know it's self-explanatory. The front, all I'm gonna do is section the hair into 2 sides, the left and the right side. So that's all I'm doing right here, and just section it off. You don't really need to section it off, but I just do it so I can like keep myself organized and it not get too messy. Then I'm going to start coloring. So literally I'm coloring it like it's on somebody's head. And if you notice right here, I was starting to do it where I'm not touching the roots, but then I got really lazy and started touching the roots. So on the sides of the head, I did go really close to the roots, so the roots are ginger. So that's all I'm doing right here. Both sides are really close to the roots, and then the top, I took my time and tried not to get it on the roots. Tell me your secrets.
sun gon' keep on. They won't ever feel you like I do. Relax your mind while we smoke the sweet. I'ma take your body, shorty. All I gotta say is, you know I should.
Okay, so now that we're finished, after the hair has been sitting for 35 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the wig. If I wanted to, I could go back in with more bleach for the roots, but yeah. This is the purple shampoo and the neutralizing shampoo I'm gonna be using. So I already rinsed it out. I rinsed it out 2 times with the neutralizing shampoo and 1 time with the purple shampoo. These are the 2 colors that I'm going to be using. Screenshot them. Yes. So right here, I'm just filling up the water. You can see my little brother following me. He's literally my tail. And then look at him, a mess. So here I'm going in with Cajun Spice. I'm just gonna put the whole bottle. I'm using both bottles to color this hair. So I'm putting the whole bottle into the water, and make sure the water is hot. So I use the hot setting on the faucet, and don't put too much water because I don't want the water to dilute the color pigmentation. So I put a little bit of water so it could have that pigmentation still. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and dunk the wig in before I add in the other color. So I put the wig in, and then I'm going in with, I'm not even sure what color this is called. I think it's ginger. And I'm just going to color the end parts of the hair with the ginger color. And then afterwards, I just got tired and I start putting it all over the hair, all over the water. So if you wanted, you could have just mixed it in together in the water and just dunk it. But I didn't do that. I just started spraying it onto the hair. So this kind of gave the hair different variation of colors. It gives it all types of different colors. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. Really, really simple, quick and easy. This took me like 1.5 hours to do, maybe, just because I had to wait for like 30 minutes for the hair to process with the bleach. But this is really quick. Anybody can do this. Comment down below if you found this really, really easy. Like, this tutorial is mad easy. Keep in mind that this color is a temporary color, so the more you wash the hair, the color will rinse out, just so you know. So I'm just going ahead and brushing it through to make sure that all the hair is coated, and then I let the hair sit in this water for like 25 minutes. And that was basically it for this hair. After I was done, I did go ahead and condition it, and yeah, I did not shampoo it. I do not shampoo the temporary color. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me if you... Oh, let me show you the ends of this hair. Very, very thick. I didn't take my time to flat iron it. I literally just passed the flat iron on it, and it's already super straight. So I really, really like this hair. This hair is from Klaiyi hair. The links will be in my description box. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that really quickly. Also, my makeup look for this will be in my description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!
There's something more. DJ Smith. I need that something tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it, then tonight. You got it. Smith's